Hi students, and today's MCQ, the question goes like this. If y is equal to log of sin x to the base cos x into log of sin x to the base cos x whole to the power minus 1 plus sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. This is the function. Then what is dy by dx? So we have to differentiate, and these are the four options. This is the given function. Now look at the first term. If you can understand, it is of the form 2 into 2 to the power minus 1. So this 2 to the power minus 1 is nothing but half, right? This term comes in the denominator. 2 into half is 1. Similarly, log of sin x to the base cos x divided by log of sin x to the base cos x is what is the meaning of this term. So this term becomes 1. So this will be y is equal to 1 plus sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Now, we shouldn't be differentiating this as it is. We have to differentiate this after making some substitution, bringing it to the simplest form. So what should be the substitution? Before making the substitution, you should identify this form. Only after that you should substitute. First we will substitute for x as tan theta. After simplification, we will substitute back for theta as tan inverse x. Okay. Now look at this. Y is equal to 1 plus sin inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Can you identify this form? In your first PUC, you would have learned this formula. This is nothing but sin 2 theta in terms of tan theta. That is y is equal to 1 plus sin inverse of sin 2 theta. This whole term becomes sin 2 theta. Now this is sin inverse of sin 2 theta. This is the formula. Now this will be y is equal to 1 plus sin 2 theta. Now we cannot retain this theta because this is the substitution that we made. Let us bring back the original term. We'll write theta in terms of x, which would be y is equal to 1 plus 2 tan inverse x. And we'll differentiate. Derivative of 1 is 0 plus 2 tan inverse x. This is to be differentiated. This 2 will be as it is, and derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So the right answer is option C.